everyone. We have now added GST tax calculation to the job sheet as well. Let me show you how it works. First, go to the job sheet and create a new one by entering the customer details and vehicle details. Select the service detail and here you need to enter the rate and price. So here you can select the applicable tax percentage. So the system will automatically calculate the tax amount and display the total. So now click Save to create the job sheet. So once the job sheet is completed and converted into an invoice, the same tax details will be automatically carried over. So let me show you. Click Convert to Invoice. So as you can see that tax rate has been automatically captured from the job sheet and the total is calculated accordingly. So finally you can click Save. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.